Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. We're still in pandemic edition, and so today we're going to be making a special bowl of pineapple fried rice. Let me explain the story behind this pineapple fried rice to you guys. Well, because we're in pandemic mode, we have to order all our stuff from online to minimize the risk of getting, the virus. So we ordered a huge food basket from online from like a local restaurant because we wanted to support local restaurants. And the thing is, we don't actually get to choose what we get in the food basket, so it's like a surprise each time. And this time, well, we got a pineapple. So I was thinking maybe we'll just make a pineapple fried rice with it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today. And if you guys have pineapples on hand, then you can certainly try. Super easy, and you can use basically any ingredients you want. You just need rice and pineapple. So let's get started. Okay, so when making pineapple fried rice, some people will cut it long ways like this. But today I'm gonna try something new and make a pretty design. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut like this, and we're gonna wanna leave like a 2-inch maybe space up here. And we're just gonna cut into the pineapple. Alright, we're gonna set this guy aside for now. Now we're gonna do some pineapple sculpting over here with this. Alright, so what we're gonna do now with this big pineapple crown thing is we're gonna start from the bottom and just start cutting off the tips of these leaves. You will see why later. We're going to be making a very, very pretty design. Alright, so I've trimmed the pineapple leaves a little bit, so now it looks a little bit better. What I'm gonna do now is just gonna start cutting down. So I've cut this pineapple down to this little block right here, and you can see that if I hold it like this, it has a little angle. So if I hold it perfectly horizontal, you can see that it has an angle right there. Now what I want to do is I want to take this carrot, cut the end off the carrot. Now we're just going to take a good portion of the carrot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a toothpick to actually attach the carrot on, just like that. I've cut down this carrot block to about this size. So what I'm going to do, I just insert the toothpick. Then I'll insert the other end into the pineapple. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have this little bird head with a bird beak made out of this beautiful pineapple crown. As the last step, we're just going to take this knife, just going to sort of drill a little hole so that we can stick this red bean right into its eye. There we have it. From a side view, you got this amazing little bird, beautiful tropical bird, which we can just rest right on the side of our pineapple. So now we're gonna cut the flesh out of our pineapple. Alright, so we've cleared out our pineapple. And we have all the flesh in a bowl to the side. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna prepare to make the fried rice. And also, I conveniently found this beautiful glass cup that fits perfectly in our pineapple. So later we're just going to pour the rice in here, and this is how we're gonna present it. If you want, you can also just pour it directly into the pineapple. That's fine as well. It adds extra pineapple flavor. Alright, we got all the ingredients for our fried rice here. We have our rice. We have this little egg that I just made earlier. We have the pineapple, of course, some meatballs, some shrimp, some onions, some green peas, and some carrots. So we have a nice variety of colors here, and we're gonna put it all in the pan and start cooking. If you guys want a more in-depth explanation of how to make fried rice, be sure to check out my other video. The link will be in the description. I show you how to make a super easy fried rice, which is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. And of course, you can use any ingredients you want. we only have this many shrimps because, well, we kind of ran out of shrimp. So that's why we also have meatball today. Anything that's in your fridge, you can throw in the fried rice. Alright, it's now time to start cooking our fried rice. We're gonna use the same pan that we used to scramble our eggs earlier. I'm gonna turn the heat up to like high. Oil in the pan. We're first gonna throw in our onions. Now we're just gonna cook the onions over the oil for a little bit. So now we're gonna add in the carrots. And at this point you can basically add in all your other ingredients as well, except for the pineapple. You're gonna wanna avoid adding in the pineapple until the very end. Alright, now after we've sauteed these until they're pretty much ready, they're all pretty much done anyway. So we're going to add in the rice. After we add in the rice, you're going to change your heat to medium. And we're going to start spreading the rice apart as best as you can. Our fried rice is almost ready. What we're going to do now, we're going to add in our eggs. We just scrambled earlier. And we're going to stir until combined. And then next we're going to add some salt and pepper. Alright, now as our last step, we're going to add in our pineapple. Get it all mixed in. Once we add in that pineapple, you can hear the beautiful sizzling. You stir together with the fried rice to make it just truly amazing. A little bit sweet, a little bit sour, salty, savory. Every single taste in your mouth at the same time. An amazing tasting dish. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this amazing fried rice we just made and we're going to put it in that pineapple container we just made earlier. Alright, with my bird buddy watching me, I'm going to try out this bowl of pineapple fried rice. Let's get a piece of that pineapple, sausage, everything. Oh my god. It's like the perfect fried rice with saltiness, and when you bite into that gushing pineapple, it's soft, sour, sweet. A beautiful combination of a bunch of flavors and textures. Bring this to any party or impress your parents with this recipe and they will be sure to love you guys, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Everybody, be sure to stay safe and healthy, and thank you for watching.